How to become a profitable trader in just 1 year. If you've started trading with dreams of achieving financial freedom, you're not alone. Many begin their trading journey with the hope of making lots of money, quitting their day job, and gaining independence. However, despite devouring YouTube tutorials, reading countless books, and even enrolling in online courses, you might find yourself still struggling to become a profitable trader after a year. But don't worry, this video outlines the exact steps you need to follow to turn things around and become a consistently profitable trader within a year. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. Step 1. Build a strong foundation. To succeed in trading, you need to be obsessed with learning. It's not enough to dabble. Trading requires a serious commitment. I dedicated 6 months to learning everything I could, working a 9-to-5 job during the day and diving into trading in the evenings. For 6 months straight, I shut out distractions and put my social life on hold. This dedication completely changed my life. Before anything else, start with the basics. As a beginner, you need to master 4 essential areas. Technical analysis. Learn to read and analyze price charts. Fundamental analysis. Understand how economic news and events impact the market. Risk management. This is key to long-term success. Without proper risk management, you'll likely lose more than you win. Trading psychology. Developing the right mindset is critical for staying disciplined and handling the emotional ups and downs of trading. While you can grasp technical and fundamental analysis in a few months, mastering risk management and trading psychology takes time and discipline. Step 2. Focus on one trading style. There are 3 main trading styles: swing trading, intraday trading, and scalping. To become a profitable trader, you need to choose one style and commit to mastering it. A great way to explore the different styles is by reading Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager. Once you've identified the trading style that suits you, focus all your learning efforts on it. For example, if scalping appeals to you, immerse yourself in books, videos, and articles on scalping strategies. Personally, I prefer price action trading, which focuses on analyzing raw price movements without relying on indicators. However, what works for me might not work for you. The key is to experiment, backtest strategies, and find the one that best suits your personality and risk tolerance. Step 3. Develop a solid trading plan. The saying goes, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And this is especially true in trading. Without a well-thought-out trading plan, emotions like fear and greed can lead to poor decision-making, costing you money. Your trading plan should cover these key points. Time frame. Will you trade on a 4-hour chart or a daily chart? It depends on your chosen trading style. Market. Will you focus on stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies? Risk. How much are you willing to risk on each trade? A common rule is to risk no more than 1% of your account per trade. Trading setup. What specific chart patterns or conditions will signal your entry? Entry strategy. Will you enter on a retracement, pullback, or breakout? Will you use limit orders or enter manually? Stop loss. Always have a stop loss in place to limit your losses. Profit target. Decide in advance when you'll take profits if the trade moves in your favor. Following your plan consistently, without letting emotions dictate your decisions, is what will make you a profitable trader over the long term. Step 4. Keep a trading journal. To track your progress, it's crucial to maintain a trading journal. This helps you identify patterns in your trading behavior and allows you to pinpoint which strategies work best for you. I used to switch between strategies, winning some trades and losing others, but I couldn't figure out what worked until I started keeping detailed records. Once I reviewed my journal, I could see which setups were consistently profitable and which ones were causing losses. By keeping a journal, you'll avoid repeating mistakes, refine your trading strategies, and develop a unique edge in the market. To summarize, becoming a profitable trader in 1 year is achievable if you follow these 4 steps. Build a strong foundation, focus on mastering one trading style, create a comprehensive trading plan, and maintain a trading journal. By staying disciplined and continually learning, you'll be well on your way to financial success in the trading world.